Hello. Welcome back to a new Tasker tutorial. Today I will show you how to lock your apps with Tasker, but I will add a twist to it, that is, only locked when you are not at home or office, and automatically locked when you leave home. This is really an easy thing to do in Tasker, and is also can be modified to suit your needs, so let's get started. Open Tasker, click the Home button, select Add, to create a new project, give it a name, I will call it App Lock, click OK when you're done. The Profile tab, click the plus sign to create the first profile, give it a name, again I will call it App Lock. I find it simpler to name profiles and tasks the same name, you can name them whatever you like, as long as you can keep track of them. Click the OK check mark when you're done. Select Applications from the list. A list of all the apps on your device will be available for selection. Click on the apps that you want to lock. You can even select system apps, like Settings, then click the back arrow when you're done. Select New Task, and give it a name, again, I will call it App Lock, click OK when you're done. Click the plus sign to create an action, then click on Display, and finally click on Lock. You can give it a title, if you like. App Lock is a good title. In the code area, enter a secret code. It is important that you not forget this code, make sure that you remember it, you will lock yourself out of these apps otherwise. Allow Cancel, leave this unchecked, is not secure at all. Remember till off, means that Tasker will remember the code until the screen is turned off, put a check in this box. Full screen, will cover the display if checked, check this box also. That's all for now here, just click the back arrow. Click the back arrow again. Click the plus sign to create a new profile, call it Unlock at Home, and click the OK check mark when you're done. Select Location from the list, then click on New Location, if this is the first time you setting it up, otherwise select your location. On the map, pinch and zoom, till you find your location. You can create two profiles like this, one for your home and one for the office, linked to the same task we will make in a moment. Keep zooming on the location by tapping your finger on the screen. When you have located your home or office, click the radius area in the bottom right, and select a radius around your location. 300 to 400 meters is sufficient. Click the back arrow. Give this location a name, example, my home or my office, then click the OK check mark. Select New Task, and give it a name, I'll just call it Home, and click the OK check mark when you're done. Click on the plus sign, then select Variables, and choose Variable Set. In the name field, enter a name for the variable, I'll call mine at home, make sure that it has at least one capital letter. And in the next field set this variable to 1. Click the back arrow. Click the back arrow one more time. Click on the profile, then long press on the task and select Add Exit Task. Select New Task, and give it a name. I will call it Not Home, then click on the OK check mark when you're done. Click on the plus sign, then select Variables, and choose Variable Set. Enter the name of the variable that we just made. But this time we are going to set it to 0, click the back arrow when you are done. Click the back arrow one more time. With this profile, when you're at home, it will set the variable to 1, and when you leave home, it will be 0. Now go back to the task that we called App Lock, in the first profile, and click on it, click on the action, Lock, and scroll down to the bottom. Click the plus sign for the if statement, use the tag icon to find the variable at home and select it, change the equal sign, to doesn't match, and in the next field enter 1. Click the back arrow. Click the back arrow one more time. Is to secure this project with a passcode, so no one else can disable these two profile by turning them off, so click on the project name in the bottom, and select Lock. Then click on the 3 dots in the top right, and select Preferences, and finally click on the UI tab. Scroll down till you see the UI lock, enter a passcode. You can use the same code that you used earlier in first profile, and again, do not forget the code. If you check the lock on start, it will require you to enter the code every time you open Tasker. If not checked, only those projects that you choose to lock will require you to enter the code. I will leave it unchecked, then click the back arrow when finished. You will see a lock icon next to the name title of the project. So now when I exit Tasker, and open it again, it will ask me for the code, since it was the last project that was open when I closed Tasker. Enter the code that you chose in the Tasker UI, and hit OK to unlock Tasker. As of now, the variables we've made are still empty. If you go in the task Not Home and click the play button in the left corner, its value will be 0, then try and open an app that you have selected to lock. I will open Dropbox for my test. Let me know if you have any issues or questions, and thanks for watching.